Welcome to Science Tree channel. It's all about Boyle's law from class 9th, chapter number 5. So here we go with it. Boyle's law was given by Robert Boyle in 1662, and according to him, he studied the relationship between the volume and pressure of a gas at constant temperature. He has given the relationship between volume and pressure, which is inversely proportional. Or we can say the volume of the given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature. Now here we all know that inverse relation means that if volume increases, pressure decreases, and if pressure increases, volume decreases. But all this gonna be happened at constant temperature. In mathematical expression, we write it in such a way that volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Now to observe this inverse relationship between pressure and volume, he had done a very simple experiment. Now in this slide, we will gonna do the same experiment. He had taken a cylinder having gas molecules in it, and then these gas molecules are moving in it. Cylinder is covered by means of a movable piston, and this movable piston will gonna apply pressure on the gas molecules. Or I can say that by moving the piston, the pressure on the gas molecules will increase. So by increasing the pressure, what do you think? What gonna happen to volume? Definitely, by increasing the pressure, the volume of the gas molecules will decrease. And that was the simple experiment which was done by Robert Boyle in 1662. Now Boyle's law can also be explained by means of product of pressure and volume. But what are the conditions? While taking the product of pressure and volume, it means to multiply. Multiply the volume and pressure of a gas having fixed mass at constant temperature. Here we are talking about an ideal gas. As we all know that it's not possible to fix the mass and to fix the temperature all the time. And if I talk about ideal gas, it means that the two things are fixed. One is the mass of the gas and the second is temperature. So now, what gonna happen? The product of pressure and volume of a fixed mass of a gas is constant at constant temperature. It means that the change in pressure will be equal to the change in volume. We will understand it by doing an experiment. For doing the experiment, let us take some mass of gas in a cylinder having movable piston and observe the effect of increase of pressure on its volume. Now, when the pressure of 2 atm is applied, the volume of the gas reduces as 1 decimeter cube. While if I talk about second cylinder, when the pressure is increased equivalent to 4 atm, the volume of the gas reduces to 0.5 decimeter cube. What is happening here? The product is same. Product of both cylinders is same. It means that increase in volume is equal to decrease in pressure, or according to this experiment, I can say that increase in pressure will be equal to decrease in volume. Now, for the third cylinder, when the pressure is increased 3 times, 6 atm, the volume will also reduces 3 times. It will gonna be 0.33 decimeter cube. So in this way, the product of volume and pressure will remain same if the mass of the gas is same at constant temperature. That was the law which was given by Boyles, Robert Boyles in 1662. Thank you so much. For more videos, keep watching.